Well, I'm about to remove the old sight glass and using a 80 watt soldering iron and hopefully just melt the surface glass. Yes, that's working fine. I can just pierce that gently with a soldering iron and just move it around a little bit, and here now we have a hole for our lever. I'll now attempt to see what I can do with the screwdriver. Yes, looking good, I think. And there we go, done. I suggest with the new one, maybe put a little bit of a silicone seal and just press it back in. This particular model doesn't have the circlip on the outside, some models do. Yes, I got my part from England, I live in Australia. That was a reasonable price. This is the new one, about to put in. So without further ado, I'll get into that now. Thank you.